Hello, hello, hello. These are notes for Unit 6, Lesson 5 on percent change, which is pretty chillax. I think you guys will like this. So percent change is just a ratio, and remember, a ratio is just a comparison of two things. And remember, when we're talking ratio, we want those written as fractions because we're like adult-ishes now, and fractions are cool. Yeah, okay. So it's simply just a ratio comparing the change, hence the title percent change, to the original amount. It's comparing the change to the original. And so this formula that you're going to use to do this unit has a lot of formulas involved in it. Oh, excuse you. Okay. This formula that we're going to use has to do with, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, guys, epically failing. Has to do with finding the change in something. And when you're looking at finding the change in something is just simply subtraction. You use subtraction to find the change in something, how much something changes. If the temperature was 70 degrees to start, and by the end of the day it was 80 degrees, that's a 10-degree change. 80 minus 70. So the formula we're going to use to find percent change is percent change is equal to, you're going to do the new number, the new amount, minus the original amount, and then you're going to divide that number by the original. That gives you your decimal. And then last but not least, you're going to multiply it by 100 to get the percent. And that gives you your percent change. So new minus original divided by original times 100. There are two main types of percent change that you are going to be experiencing or seeing in your practice problems. And the first one is if it is a positive. If it's a positive number, if you end up with a positive number, then it is a percent increase. Makes sense, right? If the new number is bigger than the original number, you'll get a positive number, and that means that the price increased. And then on the flip side of that, if it is a negative number, then it is going to be a percent decrease. You're going to need to use that when you're writing an answer sentence and state if it's a percent increase or a percent decrease. We'll look at some examples.